Have you guys ever like been on Facebook Marketplace and seen something that you knew you shouldn't buy and you knew was a financial money pit? I've made a lot of bad choices, but this is the worst one. This is the world's cheapest clapped out 2015 Subaru BRZ, and it's manual, or it was. We have Kyle here from Apex Detailing.
I still don't know why you made me buy this with him. It is a clean title car.
The BRZ is clean title. We'll start from the front to the back. We'll go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. As you guys can see, we have what was left of an FA20. This is not a joke. A lot of people are thinking this guy, he's got to be joking. It's not a joke. It is a burnt BRZ. Kyle, you want to tell them what our plan is to mitigate this burn here in the front?
Well, looks like we're going to tube chassis it. So we're going to cut out the whole front end and go from there.
This is the most extensive build we will have ever done. Kyle wants to do a crazy motor swap. Ideas?
Hellcat.
We'll see what happens. The interior on this car. Come on, follow me to the ecosystem in our BRZ. This, my friends, was a Series Blue BRZ. As you see, it has the blue door stitching. For my BRZ enthusiasts, you guys know this is super rare. Unfortunately, the interior is no longer very blue. It's more green. It's got a pond growing in the front, plants growing out the seats. This wheel is the only wheel that seems to have dislodged. The strut has busted out. I must note, it's a manual, or it was. I think I just got a virus. This is the rear end of the BRZ. Looks great. It has better quarter panels than almost every BRZ I've owned, which is sad, but no trunk. Luckily, I have the trunk from my K-Swap BRZ. We can roll the credits to that. Needs a rear windshield, needs a roof, needs a lot of things. Honestly, just needs to go straight back to the junkyard. But around here, we don't believe in that. We believe in saving cars, and it really follows that motto of rising up from your lowest. I believe this car is at its lowest point in its life, I'd imagine, but we're about to change that. Look at this, STI diffuser, STI side skirts, STI wheels. You know, all the things to distract us from the fact that this car is a piece of shit.
All right, so starting out, we're gonna start out by trying to get the strut back in and get this moved out into the shop so we can take the ecosystem out of it. If you want the ecosystem out, I know I do. Yeah. Don't worry, I already got gloves. I gotta figure out where the frickin' pinch well's at. I can't frickin' find that, but keep going. And then do it at the same time.
Just make sure you watch your hands, home dog.
Wow. It's like brand new.
You're very nice, very fixed.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we know what you go ask for smell.
Fly just flew my nose. From who?
From
The camp of muscle boys? Yeah. I'm sure like once we...
There it goes. Now it's in.
What the f?
It finally popped into the...
Oh my god. It low-key looks fire. Like, it drives straight. Do you think this will pass emissions? What other jokes?
No, because it doesn't run.
No, because it's plant-based. It's a hybrid. Boy, this is a little ghetto, a little unpermitted.
There you go. Slow. Slow. Slow, slow.
Oh my god, it's driving! What the fuck? First drive! Wow, dude, like nothing happened, bro. Your hook's perfect. This is what this shit's all about, bro. Building cars, like this is that type of shit.
Straighten it up.
Dude, what the This is a joke, right?
No.
This looks like it's out of like some type of Destiny video game right now with the forest growing in here.
It's got a clean title.
It's got a clean title. You can't do, what are you gonna do with this?
Everything.
No, you can't do anything.
Oh, they said no refunds.
Are you paid money for this?
Bro, it's coming out of the seats. I thought it was just a plant on top of it. I'm not seeing an issue. I'm telling you, it's not that bad down there. It's not that bad. Like, look, all of this is good up until like here. But this is a tack welded plate. These are all tack welds right here. Look, the tack welds start here. They even tack welded up to here. Who's stopping us from spray painting this fender gloss black and selling it on eBay?
I'm ready for a ride.
I should probably just open the bay door. 2, 3. Oh, it's clean frame down there.
So you see this?
Yeah.
See that ripples?
Ripples. It's warped. All right. It's totaled.
Nah.
Oh. You're back. You're back.
Bro, for real.
Holy cow!
crap.
Look at the floor. Bro, you can see the floor again.
Nicest part of the car. I don't think I left enough, what's it called on there for it? Nah, it's already. Yeah, let me give me some more room there. Oh, 3 years.
Yep. This is such a shame, bro. This is a series blue leather right here. Or, yeah, I think it's called series blue. I'm so sorry, C. Oh. It's so nasty. This is a floor mat.
Yeah, basically.
I don't like nasty things. Don't. This is what's left of a gas pedal. Trash. Lot done.
Just a little bit.
We have to pull the engine out of this car, cut off the front from the firewall, and then we'll begin the tubing process. And in that process, we also have to be prepared for which motor swap we want to do. I know Kyle wants to do something very interesting, which we're gonna try to do. But Kyle doesn't live here, and this is a build between me and Kyle. So the next time we work on this, maybe with or without Kyle, we'll be pulling the engine out. When he comes back, we'll be cutting off the front end, and we'll go from there. So this is one of those builds that's gonna take a lot of time, maybe a year or 2. That is it for today's video. As you can see, we did a lot of things, a lot of progress, and it's looking a lot more hopeful without the ecosystem and whatnot.
Yep.
But just like our motto, this car needs to remember to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget,
Never stop
dreaming.